Hi, this video will be a short intro to the Zenmap tool. And so Zenmap is a free and open source tool that you can use to detect the devices on a network and see what ports and services are open. So we use it for network monitoring. And the cool thing about it is that it is a graphical user interface overlay for the Nmap tool. And so you're using the GUI instead of using the command line to actually scan the network. Okay, so just to go over this interface that we're looking at, you have a couple options up top: the scan, tools, profile, and help. In this section right here, you have your target. So that would be where your DNS would go, or you can put in an IP address. Over here in profile, you have the different types of scans that you can run. An intent scan would be more of an aggressive scan, gives you a lot more details in the scan. You have a ping scan, a quick scan, a regular scan. And if you can see, as you click on these, it actually changes the command that you're entering in, because that's going to Nmap. That's the command you would use in Nmap on the command line. So like a regular scan would just be Nmap. So we're going to do a regular scan on scanme.nmap.org. Okay, so you click your scan button over there. It shows you that the scan has started, gives you the date and time, lets you know that the host is up. It shows you the closed ports. Then it gives you a table here that shows you the variety of ports, the state of that port, and then the different service. So the different services that you can scan for, if you click on services, you'll see them listed there. Also, this area gives you a bit more detail as well. So if you click on the ports and host, again, that lists those there for you. Typology is pretty cool. So it'll show you the typology of the network. And we're not going to go into detail, but here you could actually save the graphic in a PDF form and go back and look at it later if that's something that you want to do. It also shows you the IP address, gives you the host details laid out. So your host status, it's up. There's 4 open ports, 5 filtered ports, closed ports, 991. And then it goes over the scan ports. We scanned 1,000 total. The uptime and the last boot, the IP addresses are listed here, as well as the MAC, the IP4 address for this DNS, and then the host names. So this is pretty cool. And this will give you some of the basics of using Zenmap.